Hi, this is James with Alabama Construction Pros. Today, we're going to be talking about tips for basement remodeling. Stay tuned. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to give you some of the expert tips for basement construction so you can build the perfect foundation for your home during your renovation. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Before you start, make sure your basement is properly waterproofed. This is crucial for preventing water damage and leaks in the future. There's different ways to waterproof your basement. Tip 2. When planning your basement layout, think about the purpose of the space. Will it be a family room, a guest bathroom, or a home office? Consider the electrical and plumbing requirements for your chosen use. Tip number 3. Always check for the proper permits and regulations required for basement construction in your area. Following building codes is essential for a safe renovation. Tip 4. Don't forget about insulation. Proper insulation will make your basement more comfortable and energy efficient. It will also help reduce noise transfer between floors. Tip 5. Be mindful of ceiling heights. Make sure to leave suitable clearance for any duct work or pipes to avoid any inconveniences later. Tip 6. Choose the right flooring for your basement. Consider waterproof options such as LVP or porcelain tile, as they are durable and resistant to moisture. Tip 7. Proper lighting is essential to make your basement feel inviting and functional. Use a combination of natural light, recessed lighting, and task lighting to create a well-lit space. Tip 8. Finally, don't skip out on ventilation. Adequate ventilation will prevent mold, build up, and ensure a healthy environment in your basement. Well, that wraps up our tips for basement construction. Remember to plan ahead, follow regulations, and use high-quality materials for a successful renovation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement ideas. See you next time.